What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Summer Day. A big tune. Remember, real life, real work, and most importantly, real faith. I told you guys that we were going to do shiplap. We got a few personal messages. Yo, put on the shiplap. We like how the shiplap looks. So we went ahead, made some preparations, and as you can see, I'm dressed for the snow. So I'm outside in the snow, and we're getting the shiplap done. Get them sanded, get them cut it, and we're getting them installed. Don't forget to keep your faith. Remember, without faith, it's impossible to please the Lord. So stay tuned. We can show you the end result. Big tune. This your boy, Summer Day. Now, I wanted to set up my chop saw, but I don't feel like walking back in the snow over to the workshop. My hand is straight enough. I've been doing this for a long time. I like what I do. The weather feels good. The wood is right. I don't have to sit down and do nothing. I love to work. Real work, real life, real faith. Stay tuned. So I'm getting some measurements so that I can articulate a master cut. Okay. All right, good to go. I have a few more pieces I need to measure. And this one, okay, this one I had cut for here. All right, let's get this one going. Find the studs. Alright. I got a few measurements. Also, I gotta move my screws. So I can put my screws back for my wash and dry time. Okay, will it fit? That's the money question. It fits like a glove. I just want to say thank you for being a part of this here journey, this here project. And I want you to know that I appreciate you taking the time watching our channel. Summer Day Outdoor Decor is an Amazon affiliate. So some persons ask, what tools do you have? In order to do any job, you need tools. We have the pass load, we have the saw, the Makita brand, we have the screw gun or the driver. We have all of those in the description below. If you were to go on Amazon and purchase a tool through the Summer Day affiliate, it helps to support our channel and it helps us to be able to continually create content so that we can reach other persons that needs a helping hand with a little bit of work. Even if we don't get there physically, we can get there spiritually, and we can also get there by your help in purchasing through our affiliate link. Once again, thank you for watching us on this program. For this particular washroom shiplap design, stay tuned for the next one. And I mentioned earlier in a descriptive manner about the measuring tape. We will be launching a hands-on kind of like a learning program to explain some things in case people don't know. Stay tuned for it. Summer Day. Thank you again.